Are you eating your banana?
That was a big bite.
Good job, Joe. Do you like nanners? Do you like nanners? They're good, aren't they? Good job. Is this his first big boy food, Mom?
This is first big boy food. 2 pieces of banana.
Goodness sakes. Is that good stuff, Maynard? That's good, isn't it? You want some more?
Some more?
Do you want some more? Nummies! They're silly. You like your nanners? Good job, Joe.